So we had root 2r. Root 2 times r was, what was it, r plus 1?
Yeah.
Okay. And you squared things and then use a quadratic formula. How would you solve this equation? And I'll use x's. 3x equals x plus 1. How would you solve that?
So I'd move the x to this side.
Okay.
2x equal to 1x equaled half.
All right. How come you didn't square everything here?
Well, because you have nice integer amount. You have nice integer coefficients for x.
Okay. How would you solve this equation? 5x equals x plus 1.
Well, I'd do the same thing.
How come you didn't square both sides?
You still have nice integer values for the coefficients.
Okay. You see any other way you could solve this equation?
Well, you could say that root 2 minus 1 times r equaled 1.
Okay.
So, well, I also can see from here that 1 is 2 minus 1. 2 is root 2 squared. So that can say that r could be root 2 plus 1 here.
Oh, interesting. Okay, write that out.
So, it's a difference of squares.
Okay. So you see it as a difference of squares. Good. What else could you do? That's a great way, by the way. But what else can you do here to figure out what r equals?
Well, you can divide by root 2 minus 1.
Okay.
Then multiply it by root 2 plus 1 over root 2 plus 1. And then you get r equals root 2 plus 1 over 1.
Okay. There you go. See, squaring things makes them much more complicated. It's kind of a last resort. Sometimes it's okay, but really, when you have an r to the first power and an r to the first power, what you want to do to solve them is just group them, because this is just a linear equation, right? So that's why I was giving you the examples of 3x equals x plus 1. What do? Group the x's, so I get 2x equals 1. Root 2 minus 1 times r equals 1. Same thing. This is just some number, right? Root 2 minus 1. And now what do? How do I solve this equation here?
You divide by 2.
How do I solve that equation?
Divide by root 2 minus 1.
Yeah. What if I had a number that you couldn't square? Pi times r equals r plus 1. Well, I mean, you can square it, but it doesn't help you at all. What would you do here?
Well, you can do, well, you move this r to the other side, and you would get pi minus 1 r is 1. So r is 1 over pi minus 1, and you really can't do much from there.
No. But it's still a number, right?
Yeah.
In fact, you can even probably tell me approximately what this number is. What is 1 over pi minus 1?
Oh, it's 1 over like 1.1, 1 over 2.14.
Okay.
So it's a bit smaller than a half.
Yeah, it's a bit smaller than a half. So when you have the linear terms, just group. Just think of it as like 3x equals x plus 1 and plug away there. Good work with that. Good work.